Thanks for joining us here at Earning with Bits, everyone. Today we'll be doing an update on Rare Crows. Rare Crows is an NFT game on the Ton network. You grow crops to earn coins. The coins are used to buy rare NFTs. You play by putting your crops in each plot and waiting until they sprout. When they sprout, you tap on them and collect your coins. Golden crops give away tickets. You need the tickets for chests to get the Rare Crows. Your crop selecting menu is at the bottom of your home screen. While you're waiting for your crops to grow, select the globe at the top of your screen and go to your homestead. Here you have your greenhouse and trophy room. Each crow also earns coins. The more crows you have, the more coins you earn. As you can see, I have millions of coins. Once you fill up all your crows outside, they will start to go into your trophy room. After you collect your crows' coins, go to your greenhouse to plant more crops. The trophy room is in the center, and the greenhouse is below your ticket tree. Okay, I opened a box and got some coins. I don't really need coins since I'm already rich. All the greenhouse crops give tickets. The tickets open the chests that have the NFTs. This is my trophy room. I'm probably going to start selling my extra NFTs soon. Selecting the magnifying glass at the top of your screen brings you to your inventory. Here you can check to see which crows you have. You can also sell your crows now on Get Gems. I will show you how in another video. I got most of the crows from this season so far. I'll open some chests to see if we get more. Select your gem bag at the top left and choose Buy. These are the chests that give away the NFTs. I'm going to speed up the footage while I make a few buys. Okay, all I got was coins for now. That's all for this video. When I have more tickets, I will upload another video. Be sure to like and subscribe. I will have more tips and tricks next time.